Good morning, class 2 children. Today I am going to start chapter 5 Something Unexpected Happens part 2. Part 1 we had done, and part 2, in the previous chapter, Peter pushed Clara's wheelchair down the hill. Grandfather decided to take Clara and Heidi up the mountain. Will something unexpected happen? Let us read this chapter. When they reached the spot where the goats usually pastured, they were surprised to find them already feeding there, and Peter with them. Have you seen the chair? Asked grandfather. What chair? Called Peter. Grandfather said no more. He spread the shawl on the sunny slope and placed Clara on them. Oh, Heidi, it is lovely, Clara cried, looking around her. The sky was dark blue and not a single cloud was to be seen. Heidi wanted to go to the spot where the flowers grew to see if they were as lovely as before. Clara was happy sitting alone on the mountainside. Heidi reached her field of flowers. There she saw lots of shining yellow cistus flowers among many others. She turned round and ran to Clara's side out of breath. Oh, you must come, she said excitedly. It is more beautiful than you can imagine. I can help you walk. Clara looked at her and shook her head. Heidi, you are smaller than I am. Oh, if only I could walk. Heidi looked round and saw Peter sitting up above, looking down at them. Heidi called out, Peter, come down here. Heidi told Peter to hold Clara under the arm on one side and she would hold her on the other. Together they were to lift her up, but Clara could not even stand and Heidi was too small for her to lean upon. You must put one arm around my neck and the other through Peter's, said Heidi. Peter helped them, but it was still difficult. Clara was up one side and down the other because her supports were of different heights. Put your foot down firmly once, suggested Heidi. I am sure it will hurt you less after that. Do you think so? Said Clara hesitatingly. He followed Heidi's advice and put one step on the ground and then another. Oh, that is less painful, she exclaimed joyfully. Try again, said Heidi. And Clara went on putting one foot after another until all at once she called out, I can do it, Heidi. Look, I can take proper steps. A delighted Heidi shouted, You can walk now, Clara. You can walk. Clara felt stronger with every step and Heidi was filled with happiness. Now you will be able to walk about as I do. It is a great joy. Clara heartily agreed. She could think no greater joy in the world than to be strong and able to walk like other people. This is the unexpected thing, children. Clara was not cannot stand before, but when they came the hillside, the chair already broken, fallen down, and she was alone there. First she thought she cannot do it, but Heidi inspired her to take her, catch her one arm and another Peter. Then she started. First she stepped one foot, then tried another foot. In this way, he was going up, going and going. And one time she was able to walk. Seeing that one, Heidi was very happy, and his heart was filled with happiness. So this is unexpected thing that Heidi, Clara can stand. Thank you.